Lovely pair of riding boots in for repair. What I do say to customers is please don't wear your riding boots for mucking out, and everybody says they don't. They don't, no. So when we have a look inside these here, just lift that insole up. Let's have a look under there. Oh, look at all that. All caked down there, look. Oh man, of course, these haven't been used. They haven't. What's the other one like? Under the insole. Oh, look at that bedding. Oh man, look at that lovely bedding in there. That must make them so comfortable. There's mouse droppings in there. Yep, a few bits of mouse droppings and all. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Hello, we're at Shoe Healer, just unpacking shoes that come in the post. Quite a few shoes come in the post. This is a pair of Tod's. Tod's made in Italy, and as with shoes that generally come from Italy, the cemented construction, as you see that, and these are coming apart. So this is a lovely shoe, quite a well-made shoe really, Tod's, and the glue has failed. This happens eventually with most shoes that are cemented construction. Here's the other one, and look, you just see that peeling off. So all that needs cleaning out and then rebonding back onto the shoe. Paul might even suggest that it's grooved and stitched back down on the Blake stitcher, but you'll hear me crowing all the time about shoes that aren't made in Northampton. The rest of the world make what they make, but the best shoes in the world come from Northampton, and they're stitched together.